wall caves, mountains, and a turtle beach. 1,000 steps and counting. We are on Lamma Island, and this is John and Fern. Welcome back to episode 3 of DJ's Best 5 Hong Kong Walks. Where are we today?
We're on my favourite Lamma Island. We've got 2 more friends with us. I don't know where they've gone, you can see right down here. I'm taking my dogs with me. This is where I live and this is where I love to hike. We're going to do about a 15k today, starting in Yong Shui Wan. We're up near the windmill now. And if I turn around over here, I point up there, that's where we're going, right up to that mountain, Stenhouse, down to Turtle Beach, and then around up past the weather station and back to Soccer One, where we're going to finish, where you can get some food, George. It's going to be a long old day.
Yeah, fighting. Once again, thank you, Carlos. We're wearing your clothes today. We love your stuff, and let's get going.
Let's go.
In this series of John and Fern, DJ is revisiting his 5 best walks in Hong Kong. Although some have called it a concrete jungle, Hong Kong actually has abundant hiking trails through the mountains that surround the city, covering about 60% of the total land area. If you haven't been on a hike in Hong Kong, you have missed what we feel is the best part of the city. In the 3rd episode of this series, we start with a ferry to Yong Shui Wan and hike up Lamma Winds, Hong Kong's only working wind turbine. From there, we leave the concrete path and head down Scenic Path, a small trail that winds its way across the spine of Lamma. Along the way, DJ stops me for a quick history lesson.
What do you like with caves?
Caves?
Caves.
Caves?
Yeah, caves.
What do you mean?
Come up here.
Wow.
This here is a Japanese war cave.
Oh. Really?
Go on down.
Can we get inside?
Yeah?
You block my way. Oh.
Careful.
Are you serious? Are you serious? Or are you just pranking me?
No, you can go in.
Oh! What? You're not pranking me, right?
No, that's a Japanese war cave. Have you got a light with you?
Yeah.
Can you film it as you go? Because I'm not coming in.
What?
It's too bloody dangerous.
The defensive caves were dug out by Japanese troops during their occupation of Hong Kong during World War II. DJ, try to be helpful, okay?
I'm filming. I'm filming. Go on, dogs. Go and help him.
As the southernmost island, Lamma has many of them around. DJ didn't help me get out from the cave, but what goes around comes around. Go on, DJ. We worked our way down to Lo Shou Sing Beach and then started the long and brushy climb up to Mount Stenhouse. It's only 350 meters up, but the tough path makes it longer. Even the dogs needed a little help in places.
So here, George, is probably one of my favourite walks. I do this most weeks. You can see right over Lamma Island here, all the way down and out to Hong Kong Island on the other side. Sorry it's not a great view today.
Yeah, I would say without the bushwhacking, I would rate the difficulties as like 2 out of 5. With the bushwhacking, 10 out of 5.
Yeah, and my 4-year-old did it. So, what should I say?
The trail down was slippery and I had some issue balancing.
Hold on to the rope. Don't go down on your bum. Come on, John. Stand up. Stand up. Come on. There we go. There you see. see your face here, George. Look at the sweat on it.
We made our way slowly down to Sunwan Beach, the only regular nesting site for green turtles in South China Sea. Once down, we were back on the concrete paths, first around the picturesque bay of Dong'o and then up to Linggoshan.
George, when we get here, we can go this way, which is nice and flat and easy.
Yeah.
Or we can go this way, which takes us up about 250 meters, 1,140 steps. Which one?
I'll pick the easy one. Not an option?
Not an option.
1,140 steps later, we reached a Kilpudo rock. After taking in the view, we started on another 1,000 steps down to the Sokowan Pier, where you can find great seafood and a ferry back to the city.
Well, that's the end of this episode, George. About 15k in the end, but nice and easy for me. How was it for you?
The first half was disaster, but the second half is quite easy for me.
Yeah, we're not so lucky with the weather, but it's been okay. Big shout out to Kailas once again. Thanks again. Don't forget to like and subscribe wherever you're watching this show. My name's DJ Clark.
And I'm George.
This
is
Drone and Phone. Wait, put his paw out.